Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Woohoo!
Everyone, I'm Ramil Mangaso Jr. and I'm 21 years old from Mabililan. As a person, I believe life is art and I'm the artist of my life. I try to keep full of colors and as cheerful as possible no matter what life throw at me. I'm enthusiastic and a person full of curiosity. Curious to know what is life is all about and what is all in the future. I like to keep a smile on my face no matter what I'm going through, and that smile keeps me going on besides, and I was brought up in a multicultural community. Therefore, I'm extrovert and I like to meet people. I love to experience their lives, cultures, and tradition, which makes me happy and cheerful. Moreover, I'm reliable but very short-tempered. I lose my calm if not understood properly. I get very irritated internally, but that doesn't show in my behavior. However, I would like to change this character trait a little because my friends and dear ones often do not notice and I have some troubles. They do not offer help when I need it. Good or bad, this is me, trying to complete the world as it's revealing its true colors. I believe life is gift and I should be treated like one with love, care, and respect.